Hey, how is everyone doing this morning? Got to tell you, I got a huge smile on my face today, and I'm going to share with you why during this video. So, I just started a new program that's going to be released. Yep, got my boxing gloves out. This program's actually called 10 Rounds, and of course it's based in boxing principles, but it really does look at all kinds of things: agility, endurance, weights, conditioning, flexibility, core work, you name it. And I actually really enjoyed the sample workout this morning, but I didn't come on here to talk about my workout, but what I did come on to talk about was what I thought about during this workout and how I'm reflecting on what took place yesterday. So let me tell you about yesterday. Dr. Rima Thapar and I, Dr. Rima is one of our Better Together as one team members, one of the people that are linking arms and believes in a Better Together health movement where we all work together to help empower you to become the CEO of your health and life, and to really try to see if we can make some significant changes in healthcare and the way we approach healthcare, one that's more collaborative, patient partnered, and preventative, rather than just a pill for an ill. However, yesterday Dr. Thapar and I had the absolute honor of being invited to deliver a workplace wellness workshop at a company called Ingram Micro in Mississauga in celebration of International Women's Week. And not only was it a fantastic afternoon with a group of about 40 women, but it lights me up to be able to pour into people, if these happen to be women, to pour into them knowledge to help empower them to put themselves into action, to actually start to have some control of their well-being, and to give them strategies that they can actually put into their day-to-day to make themselves feel better mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually, and even financially. But here's the thing, and I think sometimes we often forget this. All of us are beginners at some point. And I think sometimes when something is new and therefore it's more challenging and difficult, and I would even say as we age, trying something new becomes even more difficult, it challenges our brain. We tend to shy away and bail on ourselves because at first we just feel like we can't do it. We feel awkward, it doesn't feel right, our self-doubt creeps in and says we can't do this. And this is with regards to anything, whether this be your health and you trying to focus more on your nutrition and your movement and your mindset, whatever it may be. This could be in your career, starting a new project or learning a new skill. This could be in a relationship. This could be with a workout, which is why I'm going to tie in this boxing this morning. So when we were educating these amazing women yesterday, not only were they so engaged and craving this information, but there were questions and conversations after the presentation that I reflected on this morning, and it's like a light bulb moment. I think sometimes we stay stuck and don't lean in where it's uncomfortable, because it truly does require us to rewire our brains and our thinking. And sometimes we just don't want to do the work to do that. We don't want to feel that awkward. And let me tell you, this morning in this program, when I was doing this new boxing, and I've done some boxing before, but I gotta tell you, boxing really does challenge the brain, the different combinations, the moving across the midline, doing one after another, combined with other movements of the body. It challenges this. But here's the great thing. As awkward as I felt, or perhaps as awkward as I may have even looked, the reality is I'm starting to rewire my brain. Neuroplasticity. And here's the good news, and what science is now supporting. At any age and stage, we can still continue to rewire our brain if we're willing to do the work, if we're willing to try things that make us uncomfortable. Yesterday, Dr. Thapar walked the women through an exercise on, you've heard me speak of the spike mat. I'll show this to you next time. I don't have my spike mat in front of me right now. But she showed them how to walk along the edge of the spike mat, to work on proprioception and balance, and to help retrain the brain and improve circulation. We have control, but we have to be willing to lean in, be awkward, and trust that over time, with repetition, that brain of yours is going to learn that new skill. It's going to become more like a habit. And then you're going to look back and wonder why you were so awkward when you first started. Don't give up on yourself. Don't give up on your ability to learn, because by doing that, you are going to see tremendous changes in your mental, physical, and emotional well-being. So I think I'm going to like this boxing program. It is going to challenge me. I'll tell you, a couple times, I'm sure someone would have been laughing if they had seen me, but we're all beginners at some point. So please don't judge yourself by the efforts and the outcomes of others. Lean in and judge yourself on what you're doing day to day, and see and celebrate the progress, whether it be in your workplace, in your workouts, in your nutrition, in your relationships, or your finances. Stay the course and keep going. I hope everybody has a fantastic day, and make sure, please, go to our YouTube channel, Wallace for Wellness. Subscribe, because we've got lots of new content being added. We're shooting some segments next week, so please go and subscribe. Share this video if it resonates with you, and stay connected. We are better together, and this is a non-judgmental community that's here to elevate you and empower you to become the CEO of your health and your life. Have a good day, everyone.